In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to issue refunds in Zoho Books. This tutorial is designed to guide you through the process of managing refunds, ensuring that you can handle customer returns or corrections with ease and efficiency. Let's start by navigating to the credit notes section in Zoho Books. First, you need to head over to the Sales module in your dashboard. Once you are there, you have two options. You can click on Credit Notes directly, or if you prefer to work from an existing invoice, simply select the invoice related to the transaction and click on the More drop-down menu. From there, choose Create Credit Note. This credit note serves as a formal record of the refund transaction and is crucial for maintaining accurate accounts. Now that you have created your credit note, the next step is to pick the specific credit note corresponding to the refund you wish to process. To do this, open the credit note in question. It's essential to be sure you're working with the correct document to avoid any mistakes in your accounting records. With the credit note in view, you'll want to initiate the refund process. To proceed, click the More button located typically at the top or the side of your screen, and then select Refund from the drop-down list. This action sets the wheels in motion for issuing the actual refund to your customer. Next, it's time to enter the necessary refund details. Begin with the amount. Be precise when entering this figure, ensuring that it matches exactly what needs to be refunded. Next, specify the date on which the refund is being issued under Refunded On. This helps keep your records timely and accurate. Finally, select the account from which the refund will be issued. Under To Account, choose the applicable cash or bank account. This ensures that your financial records reflect the correct cash flow, keeping everything transparent and traceable. The final step in this process is to confirm and save your refund transaction. Once you've double-checked that all details are correct and you've entered all the necessary information, click Save. This action ensures that your refund is recorded accurately in Zoho Books, updating your financial records and keeping your accounts in perfect order. With these steps, you have successfully issued a refund in Zoho Books. This straightforward process not only helps maintain customer satisfaction, but also ensures your financial records are kept in impeccable shape. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide makes managing refunds in Zoho Books a seamless part of your accounting routine. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more resources or get in touch with Zoho support.